Hey, where's the grill master? We're starving.
Okay. Just let me get out my tools.
Whoa, what is that?
This is my Oler Hike 25-piece barbecue grill set. It's got everything a serious griller needs. With thick stainless steel construction that's going to last forever. It's got heavy-duty tongs, a basting brush, a fork and knife set, skewers, and the spatula even has cutting edges, and a bottle opener.
Wow, it's got everything you need, and in that really handy carrying case.
Yep, and it's even got a meat injector, an electronic grilling thermometer, a heat-proof glove, and more. Food's ready, guys.
Let's hear it for the grill master.
And his Oler Hike 25-piece barbecue grill set.
I'll drink to that.